Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Zenita Fatiasana dengan nomor BP 20010911. I will explain the material of English 2. Number 1, meeting 1, introduction. Number 2, meeting computer and computer program. Introduction and what makes a computer a computer. A computer is an electronic machine that's processing information, in other words, an information processor. All of these processes have names. Retrieving information is called input. Storing information is better known as memory or storage. So new information is also known as processing, and spewing out the result is called output. Input. Keyboard and mouse, for example, are simple input units, way of entering information into a computer that they can process. If you ask a microphone and speak recognition software, that's another form of input. Memory atau storage. A computer may store a document and file on the hard drive. A very large magnetic memory, but smaller computer-basic devices such as digital cameras and cell phone as the other type of storage such as flash memory card. Processing. A computer processing now as the central processing unit is a microchip built deep within. It works really hard and get very hot in the process. Output. The computer may have a LCD screen capable of displaying high resolution, high detail graphic, and many also have star speaker. Language focus is noun and adjective. Noun refers to a person, place, or thing, but is not the name of a specific person, place, or things. Types of noun. Number 1, common noun. Common noun are nouns that have a general meaning. 2, proper noun. Proper noun are nouns that are specific. Countable and uncountable noun. The first type is used when you want to make a sentence with a countable noun, which the second cannot be counted. Singular and plural. The first type is a noun which is used to refer to a singular noun. Meanwhile, the second type is used to write more than one time. Collective noun. Collective nouns are nouns that even today don't use is or as. The word don't not filter because the basic form already has a plural meaning. Abstract and concrete noun. Abstract nouns are nouns whose existence cannot be seen directly but can be felt. Meanwhile, concrete nouns are tangible nouns and are filled with the 5 sentences. Number 2, adjective. Adjectives are adjectives that have a function to describe a pronoun or noun. The simple form of adjective consists of only one word of phrase, so it is called an adjective phrase. Is consisting of adjective plus modifier or determiner. An example is many younger, and the sentence is function it a lot on a modifier and younger and is a adjective. Types of adjective. Adjective of quality is one type of adjective that refers to quality. Quantitative of adjective. Adjective of quantitative, which focus on nominal goods and pronouns. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is an adjective that refers to quantity. Numeric adjective. Numeric adjectives are adjectives that describe the thing with numeric numbers. Demonstrative adjective. This type is used to indicate noun or pronoun. The main character is that it is cast before the noun to its left. Descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective as adjective that describe things use several nouns. Meeting 3, working with computer. Language focus is verb and adverb. Verb on word that show the meaning of adjective and constituents or circumstance. The use of this verb in the sentence will show the adjective of the subject. Verb itself becomes an important part and always appear in every sentence. We ask verb to identify or explain the behavior of the actor or subject in a sentence. In addition, verb also function to explain circumstance and event. Number 2, adverb. Adverb is an adverb that describes the way, place, time, and how an event or situation occurs. Usually, we ask is to clarify the word in front of it or to clarify the adverb itself. And also adverb ending in ly, such as currently, quickly, locally, and so on. However, there are some that don't end in ly. There are 5 adverb functions that can be used in a sentence. Adverb of type serves to express or provide a definite time information. It is to answer the when question. Adverb of manner is used to provide additional information about the condition or how an event occurred. Adverb or place. This adverb is a auxiliary word to give an answer about a place or location. Adverb of degree serve to explain a level of work, action, did, quality carry out, and ever occur or is carried out. Adverb of frequency. This adverb is a word that describes the frequency when performing an action or active and how often a things or even correct. Meeting 4, working with computer to future career. Advanced technology is a new thing. With the rapid development of information technology, there are also more opportunity to work in the IT field. Companies are starting to look for candidates who can create, design, research, and develop hardware and software to make work easier, increase efficiency, and productive. And the first, big data engineering. Speak the workday communication with business user and data scientists with the aim of translating business objective in a workable data processing workflow. Second, application architects digital fraudulent precision like application architects are required to maintain a high level and of technology expertise while also excelling in areas like planning, coordination, communication, and teamwork. Web developer. A web developer is a person responsible for the building and maintenance of a website. Database administration. Put simple, database administration use specialist software to securely store and organize data. And security data is both available to user and store from accountatory access. Computer hardware engineering as task with designer, developer, dan supervising the production of computer. Computer software engineering focus the work on designing and developing software was used to control computer by utilizing the precisely of computer science and mathematical analysis. Data security analytics use the strong understanding of computer and network security. Information system security manage quality information system security manage provide leadership. Healthy information technology career statistic mathematician use mathematician theory, business intelligence analysis, compute and information, network architect, system engineering, computer support specialist, mobile application developer specialist in coding, testing, debugging, and monitoring mobile apps. Language focus is pronoun, conjunction, and interjection. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun or noun phrase. Pronoun that take the position of noun in sentence. Pronoun have several functions. Noun phrase head, subject, subject complement, direct object, object complement, and direct object, preposition complement, and appositive. Number 2, conjunction. Conjunction is a conjunction a word used to connect a coordinate form of language. Is addition to having too many function as a conjunction. Other function of conjunction are as addition, and option, contradiction, consolation, adjunction, information, cause and effect, relation, and comparison. Number 3, interjection. Interjection or exclamation, or often also called exclamation, is a word that is spoken spontaneously to explain feeling or to that feel suddenly, such as surprise, pleasure, pain, wonder, and so on. Interjection function, exclamation, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, subjunction, impression. 5. Meeting 5. Working with computer, listening and speaking activity to explain on how mesh network work. Wireless mesh network can easily, effectively, and wirelessly connect larger or use inexpensive in existing technology in a wireless mesh network. The network connects is spec out among dozens or even hundreds of wireless mesh data to each other to share the network connects across a area. In a wireless mesh network, only one node must have an internet connection. It's not added to the network share the connection wirelessly with all the other nodes is it infinity using on of several protocol. If you only need to provider internet access to small area, you are likely to see a big difference between a single mesh network node and traditional wireless router. Meeting 6. Working with computer. A beginner with to buy a computer. Anatomy of a laptop computer may be complete, but the also some basic anatomy. Some part of obvious at first glance, like the keyboard and screen. He is a very basic anatomist processor. The real driver force of the computer is called the processor. Graphic card. The graphic card is a specialist processor similar to the CPU but deals only with graphics. Optical disk drive. Standard in most laptop in an optical drive. Hard drive. This is where the computer store all of the program and file is hard RAM or memory. When you computer run a computer or open a file, it needs some information to be immediately available instead of being storage on in the drive. Extras. The are printing of future the common standard now on a laptop and now link and knowing with what the R is important in determining if you ask them. Language focus types of sentence. Type of sentence number one, simple present constrains a single independent call that is subject, a subject and a predicate that's from our complete thoughts. Number two, compound sentence. Compound sentence contains two or more independent call joined by a coordination conjunction, and but yet for or not or so. A conjunction adverb acts, however, furthermore, like with rather than over, and or a semicolon. Number three, complex sentence contains one or most independent clause attached to an independent clause. The dependent clause are connection to the independent clause stroke subordination conjunction. Example, because after, when, or relative pronoun. Example, who, which, that. Number four, compound complex sentence contains an or a more dependent clause attached to one or more dependent clause. Meeting 7, working with computer network in the material about network and find the difference between LAN and WAN. LAN, local area network, is a group of computer and other network devices attached within a limited area like a house, a building, an office, and 3 campus exactly. It is a widely used network of devices and can be set up in a limited graphical or without emphasis a high cost like other networks. It is most hard LAN is used to the form as network to share resource like printer, scanner, or file like audio, video, movie, software, game, exactly. 1. Wide area network is an essential computer network that extends over a larger geographical area. It can over distance between state of country. One is comparatively much larger than land or metropolitan area network and relative more expensive because of its cost and complexity. Ones are not usually of by organization. Language focus is simple present tense. Simple present tense is tenses that the use when an event is current taking place or an event that's took place repeatedly or habits. Broadly speaking, the function of the simple present tense in English are as follow the to expand a habit, to state a condition or state, to state a general state. Meeting with computers successful people in IT. Steve Jobs is an amazing character. First, he is someone who is strong in the face of challenge and he can control his own ego. He is the founder of Apple. He is a person who when he fall back again. Steve Jobs is now not only for his expertise is technological innovation, but also for the power of word. The are composite and divides from his life experience. Steve Jobs has human success and can also throughout the world if followed by a very satisfactory quality of human result. I was waiting to be more advanced and to that innovation is a trick the stiff application in competing. I think of success as a way to find and live purpose so as to live a lasting legacy that can make a difference in the world. We must define our goals, objectives, and paths basic on what we want, not one other people want for us. How to achieve success, in my opinion, number one, know what you want. Number two, hang out with the right people. Number three, be an optimist. For never wreck. Five, learn from failure. Six, don't double down your own ability. Seven, keep learning new skill and new skill. And finally, stay focused. It is my opinion. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.